Ready to level up your Illustrator game and learn a crucial skill for creating stunning designs. Alright, let's jump right in. First things first, grab your rectangle tool and draw a nice, solid rectangle on your artboard. This is our starting canvas. Now, let's create our hole. Pick your shape tool. A circle is a great start, but you can use other shapes like a star or another rectangle. Depending on the design you envision, draw your shape over the rectangle where you want the hole to be. Perfect placement. Make sure the shape overlaps the rectangle completely. Now we have both shapes in place. Next comes the critical step. Select both your objects. Ensuring both the rectangle and the shape are highlighted, they can simply be selected by shift-clicking the shapes. We are now ready for Boolean operations. Head over to your Pathfinder panel. If you can't see it, you can find it in the window menu. Here's where the magic happens. Look for the shape mode section. We're looking for minus front. Click on that button. It's the second option on the top row of the shape modes. This essential Boolean operation will cut the shape that is in the front shape out of the back shape. Notice how the overlapping shape now disappears, creating that perfect cutout. Amazing! You've successfully created a hole within your rectangle. This technique, powered by Boolean operations, is fundamental for crafting complex graphics. You can use various shapes, combine multiple cutouts, and now you're armed to create those intricate designs. Keep experimenting and perfect that design.